Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you change your Volkswagen Golf headlight bulb. First, ensure your car is off and cool to the touch. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery before starting any electrical work. Have your new bulbs and basic tools ready, like a screwdriver, to make the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. You'll typically find the headlight assembly located behind the front bumper or within the engine bay. Depending on your Golf model, you might need to remove a few clips or screws to access it. Once exposed, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb, preparing it for removal. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. On another note, for those moments when you're not working on your car, why not relax with a good book? Read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the connector off, carefully unclip and remove the old bulb. Remember, when handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into its housing, ensuring it's seated correctly. Then, reconnect the electrical connector and resecure the entire headlight assembly back into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.